Woman dead, several others injured in Easter Sunday crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman is dead and several persons, including children, were left nursing injuries following a motor vehicle crash at a section of the Fern Gully main road in St. Ann on Easter Sunday. The identity of the deceased woman has not yet been disclosed. It is understood that approximately 16 children and 7 adults were in a bus heading from Kingston on a trip to the North Coast when it crashed. Reports are that shortly after noon, the vehicle, which had 23 persons on board, was traveling along the main road when it crashed into an embankment.
Jesus. Almighty God. Jesus. Oh God. Oh God, Jesus. Oh God.
The police were alerted and the injured people assisted to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital for treatment, where the woman died. 2 children and 1 adult are in serious condition and are being transferred to a hospital in the corporate area for further treatment, the St. Anne police have confirmed. A probe is ongoing into the crash. Links 007 News will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.